بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
O Allah, help us learn what is beneficial to us, help us benefit from what you have enabled us to learn, and increase our knowledge. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to lesson 28 of the Quranic Arabic course from Al-Quran Institute, London. Alhamdulillah, we have discussed 4 properties of noun in our last lesson. Today, we are going to discuss fi'l madi or past tense verb. Before we start, one humble request to you. Al-Quran Institute is a Quranic Da'wah and educational institute. We would like to reach many others like you, so your assistance is greatly appreciated. If you benefit from our videos, please like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Jazakallahu khairan. So let's start. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Our topic is past tense verb or fi'l madi. Please note, past tense verb is called perfect verb. Present or future tense is called imperfect verb. Since the beginning of Arabic grammar over 14 centuries ago, the root letters fa, ain, lam, these 3 root letters have been used for this purpose. The root verb in Arabic, they are in past tense, they are in masculine, and they are singular. This is rule. All the verb in Arabic grammar are past tense verb, and the past tense verb will indicate masculine gender, singular number, and third person or ghaib, someone who is not present. That's why in Arabic it's called al-ghaib. We also need to have a little idea at this stage about prefix and suffix. In this part of the lesson, our objective is to learn these 2 terms, what it means by prefix and what it means by suffix. So in simple way, I will just explain that to you. For example, in this slide, Arabic verb starts from a root verb, which is 3-letter root verb. In this case, the root verb is nasara. Nasara means he helped. And as you know, there are 14 pronouns, and accordingly, there will be 14 types of different forms. Nasara is past tense verb, and yansuru is the present tense verb, which is derived from nasara. So nasara yansuru. Nasara is past tense madi, and yansuru is present or future tense or mudari. So look at the prefix and suffixes here. Nasara, and after that you can say nasara. So there is an alif added at the end. So this alif is called suffix. Nasaru, waw alif is added at the end. So this waw alif is the suffix. Nasarat, ta with sukun at the end. So ta is the suffix here. Nasarata, ta fatha alif is added. So ta is the suffix here. Nasarna, nun fatha added, so na is the suffix here. Nasarta, ta with fatha is added, so ta is the suffix here. Nasartuma, tuma is added, so tuma is the suffix here. Nasartum, tum is the suffix here. Let's look at the second row. The first word is yansuru. Can you see from nasara, which is past tense, the present tense is yansuru. To make it present tense, there is a prefix added to nasara. So nasara has become now yansuru. So ia is the prefix. There is no suffix on this word yansuru. What happens to the next one? Yansurane. Ia is there as well. So ia is the prefix and ani is the suffix. Next yansuruna. Ia is the prefix and una is the suffix. Tangsuru. Ta is the prefix and there is no suffix on this verb. Tangsurani. Ta is the prefix and ani is the suffix. Yangsurna. Ya is the prefix and na is the suffix. Angsuru. A is the prefix and there is no suffix on it. Nangsuru. Na is the prefix and there is no suffix on it. I hope you understand these terminologies now, prefix and suffix. Inshallah, we'll talk about this more later on. Okay, let's understand this chart. On the right-hand column, there are 14 pronouns. And the second column from right has got the singular, dual, plural, and so on. Next, it identifies the masculine and feminine. And finally, on the left-hand side, the whole column has been divided into three: third person, second person, first person. So what does this tell us? Now, can you see he, they, she, they, you, I, we, okay? 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 and then 2, total 14. But this is the easy bit. Can you notice that first 3 is 1, 2, 3. He is 1 singular, they 2 male, they 3 plus male. So 1, 2, 3. Look at the next 3. She, they. Again 1, 2, 3. First one is singular, second one is dual, and the third one is plural. Same, next 3. You. 1, 2, 3. Singular, dual, plural. And next 3, 1, 2, 3. 1 female, 2 female, 3 female. The last 2 is singular and plural. Batch of 3. 1, 2, 3. Singular, dual, plural. You will learn the Arabic verb in the same order. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2 or more. Please note, in Arabic, dual and plural for first person is same. This is just a reminder of the Damir chart. It is the pronoun chart. And again, just to remind you, you have to memorize this first in order to understand past tense verb or future tense, present tense verb. So again, huwa, huma, hum, hiya, huma, hunna, anta, antuma, antum, anti, antuma, antunna, ana, nahnu. And I know some people find it very helpful to use that Damir Nasheed. So if you follow that, it will be easy to memorize, inshallah. Huwa, huma, hum, hiya, huma, hunna, huwa, huma, hum, hiya, huma, hunna, anta, antuma, antum, anti, antuma, antunna, anta, antuma, antum, anti, antuma, antunna, ana, nahnu, huwa, huma, hum, hiya, huma, hunna, anta, antuma, antum, anti, antuma, antunna, ana, nahnu, Alhamdulillah, let's move on. This slide contains one of the most important pieces in Arabic grammar. Okay, now, interesting thing is coming. There are 14 Damir. There will be 14 conjugation of the root verb. In this case, we will start from fa'ala. So from fa'ala, we will be making 14 different format, adding suffix in case of past tense. By adding suffix, we will make different format of verbs which will give different meaning. I'll try to make it as easy as possible, and inshallah, you will be happy at the end. This is something you have to memorize. This is something you have to do on your own, maybe together with others. One person can test the other person and then vice versa. You can just help each other. So first make it slow, then try to make it faster, inshallah. Fa'ala, fa'ala, fa'alu, fa'alat, fa'alata, fa'alna, fa'alta, fa'altuma, fa'altum, fa'alti, fa'altuma, fa'altunna, fa'altu, fa'alna. Then slowly you try to make it faster, inshallah. Fa'ala, fa'ala, fa'alu, fa'alat, fa'alata, fa'alna, fa'alta, fa'altuma, fa'altum, fa'alti, fa'altuma, fa'altunna, fa'altu, fa'alna. One more time I will do. Fa'ala, fa'ala, fa'alu, fa'alat, fa'alata, fa'alna, fa'alta, fa'altuma, fa'altum, fa'alti, fa'altuma, fa'altunna, fa'altu, fa'alna. The most important tip for you to memorize. You will say loudly the way I showed you, and then you have to write it down. Loudly at least 10 times, 20 times to memorize this. Then you write it down on paper at least 5 times. Then this will be out of the way, inshallah. Our next lesson topic is present tense verb, fi'l mudari. Inshallah, we'll catch up in the next lesson. One request before you go. Al Quran Institute is a Quranic Da'wah and educational institute. We would like to reach others like you. So if you benefited from this video, please share with others, but most importantly, please subscribe our channel and like the videos. Don't forget to watch other video series on Quranic Arabic course. Barakallahu fikum. Rabbana taqabbal minna. Innaka antas samiul alim. Amin ya rabbal alamin.
سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك